Boom blast! You don't know it's Ziggie Bless. I will say welcome once again to our next episode of Ziggy Set. Yeah man. See, how's everyone doing out there? But just wishing the peace and love and unity. See? When you see this week, we're going to raise about an artist. See? We'll get a whole heap of fighting at the business. See? So keep it locked. Alright? That be said. So forward. Ziggy Set. Yes. Me I tell you about an artist. Get a whole heap of fight. See? The artist say, you're not gonna make it if you're bad mind, no. Better you cool because of full time, no. And stop live like human swine. And give unto I what is mine. One more time. You're not gonna make it if you're bad mind, no. Better you chill because of full time, no. And stop live like human swine. And give unto I what is mine. Natural black me I talk about, man. Big singer. See? Yeah man, a big singer man on for know. Natural black, see? Yeah. That tune there, Bad Mind, boss him in a Jamaica. See? Yeah man, that tune there, boss him in a Jamaica, man. But guess what? Him get a whole heap of fight at the same time. See? When him get all the boss, a whole heap of fight him get from the Jamaican artists them too. See? Yeah man. Rumors one of the time that them all trim him ear all the studio. See? Yeah man. I forget that anytime I see Natural Black, I really have to ask him about that. Because I kind of research, I don't really hear him talk about it to still. Because I know say him vex about something, but he don't really talk about it. And the 1 and 2 interview you hear him. So anytime I see Natural Black, I have to ask him about that. But when I don't know how it going in Jamaica, if I not saw it go, and near so. See? So yeah man, artists did cut the man locks. The talk was in Jamaica one of the times. See? Yeah, and a disrespect thing that straight. I want to cut the man locks. A disrespect thing that if that did really go on. See? Alright, so a whole heap of fight the artists getting in Jamaica. See now Winford Williams. You call him a Wagonist. I don't understand how him is a Wagonist. Why? Because him a put in the work. Because he's not from Jamaica. Eh? Yeah man, he's not from Jamaica massive. Natural Black was born in Guyana. See? In a Georgetown, Guyana. So he's not from Jamaica. So I don't know if actually him come from Guyana and come a yard and come get the bus a yard. See? Winford the same as a Wagonist. I don't know, I love to really ask Winford what he mean by the artist is a Wagonist. See? Because that's when Natural Black say in an interview, yo, if see the opportunity and him take it, why? Him shouldn't take the opportunity. See, so, you know, man, Winford maybe I'll say, oh, him from Guyana, man, him come to Jamaica, come jump on the wagon, say I do reggae and them thing there. No, you can't say that. Our music, see, reggae music, enough for us, Jamaica alone, you know. See? Because if reggae music was supposed to just coop up and stay in Jamaica alone, the whole of the artists them down there that suffer. Be a poor artist. See? Outside of the world love reggae. The other artists and other people from out of the world who love reggae. See? So come reggae can get global because it's a world music. It is the world music. See? A reggae music. I'm sure say if I did all Gentleman and Alba Rose as some white artists, Winford would say them a Wagonist. He would say them a Wagonist, he would call them a Wagonist. But on the other hand again, the Natural Black no come to Jamaica with no money. See him? He come to Jamaica as a poor youth. He land in Jamaica when I'm around 20. So he not follow with no money. See him? You know, say Alba Rose them and them man there from overseas, them Rasta there. And Gentleman them, they would have forward to Jamaica with money. And I don't know the Jamaican thing already. Money can't buy out anything in the music industry. So the thing said. See? Yeah. That I say. See, that Ziggy Set. Straight. That's how the industry is straight. So Natural Black get a whole heap of fight, man. See? From Georgetown. Natural Black mother, he not grew up with his mother. His mother died from him too. See? And when he was 17, them age, they meet him father. So you can tell what type of thing I grew up in Guyana. I'm anti-hold him down. See? In the street youth. From Guyana, them have the music vibe and the music energy. I listen to Burning Spear and Lucky Dube and thing, and Bob Marley, of course, and Keep It and Sizzler. See? Yeah, because in 1995, when them drop a yard, around 20-year-old, most likely, me and big up Judgment Yard and things, Caesar Kalangina interviews and things. So most likely, I just saw him I did there, around a Judgment Yard. Because a Rasta, I'm coming to Jamaica as a Rasta artist, a Rasta youth, you know. A reggae him I do, you know, that's how him thing there. So most likely around Caesar, they may look to us for link round to one thing, and I try for them around the business in Jamaica. Keep it on them, you don't know, say David House. Because them type of vibes are vibes already, Rasta culture thing. See? So him drop a Jamaica now and come put in the work and get all them boss a yard. Him put in the work just like other artists who born in Jamaica, him put and get the boss, him put in the work too. So they can't use that from the artist about Guyana and him not authentic and him not really mad. Them man do some great reggae music. See? All the fight with them a fight. The man just look back on them and say, I know you know some of the things that I've been through, yeah. So I hope you heard all these words I've said to you many a times. Questions in my head. But when it's time to ask them, I get scared, yeah. Would life be the same way, eh? Forever, baby. Who's bird from a lady? Who's half crazy, yeah, yeah. Would life be the same? When I'm told the man, the artist a big artist. Big tune, the artist voice heavy and big. Full of melody too. See? So I want to fight an artist like that and our culture, our righteousness, he must say. See? But that's the thing in Jamaica, them love fight still. The industry fight, I get to youth. Them not really want to get to youth for bus out. Them fight them own self much. So you can imagine a youth from Guyana. Come boy my boss, a Jamaica, you're mad. You can imagine the fight and the pressure we get. Yeah man, the artists sing about them. See? I'm telling you that straight. Yeah man, I saw a thing go man, natural black. See? From Guyana, government name. See? My team was softly. See? I saw the thing set man. Born March 16, 1975. Georgetown, Guyana. See? I saw the youth thing set, the artist bad. But he get a whole heap of fighting in the business. Because even the amount of show we keep all in New York over them years there. I never remember seeing Natural Black there for none of them. I never remember seeing Natural Black there, you know, for none of them, you know, for none of the groove in them and the Irish jam them and them show there. We usually lock the place, you know. I remember seeing him. And I'm a big singer, big artist with a great catalogue. Over 6 studio albums. Whole heap of song the man have, man. So now I say the artist not put in the work just like any other artist from Jamaica. Who put in the work. Even more work than enough of them him put in. Because him keep it real more than whole heap of them. See? But I don't choose to give him a fight just because he's from Guyana. Because that's the only reason that I couldn't give him a fight. I understand when you fight on your own self for other foolishness amongst your own self, you know, in the business and iniquity and all of them things that sure. And enough iniquity in the business, you know, enough of that, the artists in Jamaica double up, you know. Fight them one another with iniquity. So the Uberman them get rich off of them. One time Uberman never make no money. Uberman make rich money. Now, them rich. Because the artists them go there. Pay them whole heap of money, but for protect them and all them things. And more now we're gathering and this and that, all type of thing. See? So I saw the thing go Jamaica with the artists them. Crabbing a barrel them. And I'm afraid for talk. I saw enough of them say, enough of our artists, you can relate to what I say to. Because enough of them go through the same thing right now, but when you talk up on a story, man, I phone the story, you know, if you talk, the things them and the fight we want to get in the business from the studio, the producer, them, the radio this jack, who not play on the show, not play no right, no culture on radio. Them not play the Natural Black on radio Jamaica. You mad? Natural Black. From the system start fight, you, the whole, right across the board, you get a fight. I saw the things here in Jamaica. But Natural Black a bad artist anyway. Seeing YouTube there, When you can go Google Natural Black and see the great songs them with him do. He's a great performer, a great artist, so full of energy on stage. See, so I don't know why I want to book him. See? Yeah, man, Natural Black a great artist, man. Not because I'm from Guyana, I want to use up on the artist. Because as I said earlier, the white artists them want to make crazy money now out of the business. Them not from Jamaica, I want to support them and endorse them same way. Anything them do, I want to support it, I want to book them, I want to do everything with them. I'm not feeling a way about that because reggae is a global, international music. See? Reggae is real music. So we don't mind other people take part in it. I definitely mind that. It's a great thing for the industry. Because as I say again, if we just keep it in Jamaica and say you're reggae lost for see Jamaica. The whole of the artists them are, Jamaica just be a place full of music and vibes. But pure poverty dog there. All of the artists them poor amongst the people them see me and can't even help nobody. Although none of them have money still and still not help nobody see me. So you go. See? So Natural Black is a great artist, man. You don't know that. Now how long the artist thing. One at the time the artist get all fed up with the thing and goes to book and cut all him own ear, cut back him locks. Yeah, because him get fed up the fight when I get in the thing, I do all of the right thing. And I do all of the culture and everything. And I still a fight him. The artist just cut off all them locks and just start do some dancehall song for one of the segment. For a little time. See? I want to force him out of the thing, because if I rasta you not dealing and when you not dealing with righteousness, and the man said, Jano. But that never worked for him, see the dancehall thing never go too far for him. Because I know him that. So he goes to boop and drop back now. And goes to boom and get over that segment there. And goes to boom, culture again. See? And start drag big tune again. Say, if you don't be born in the struggle, me not in the struggle too long. No way. Me not go walk in a trouble. Talk in a trouble too long. You must be mad. You even though we born in the struggle, man not in the struggle too long. And start to launch out back big tune upon them again. See? Yeah, man. I saw the man stay, man, and start to launch out big tune again. Africa, yeah, is a place for every Africans. Africa. The man is all around that tune. All around the artist. And that's culture. He must sing for the ladies, them. And all like that. See? Yeah, man. Man of a song where I say, me saw the other day, so me go check car. Yeah. Far from reality. Me never knew that until I met her. Yeah. Far, far, far away. See? Yeah, man. A whole heap of tune the man have up, man. Artist bad. The artist full of vibes, man. See? The man goes, so, me no remember how when me get the loving from, but he nice, he nice, he nice. Coulda be Susie, Jennifer or Joyce, he nice, he nice, he nice. Hey, she hug me and she squeeze me, make me jump and rejoice. Nice, he nice, he nice. Every night and day, she kept on singing. Whoa, whoa. Yo, the artist bad. More time I try all the artist melody them, but it ain't easy because the artist full of melody. See? Yeah, man. Africa, love big tune, man. See? I'll never leave you lonely. Girl, I'll be there for you only. So just take it slowly. Holy patrol, I say the artist launch out upon them. So him balance out. Him do songs for the ladies them. Him do early songs. See? So when you can't hold on the artist, man. The artist is a great artist. See? The man say you can't mix intelligence with negligence. Get a use go all our reverence. No. Can't mix intelligence with negligence. Holy topics. The artist touch. See, he's a great artist. I'm telling you that a Natural Black. See? So, when you start book the artist, man. I don't know where they're right now, but I don't think of Jamaica. Because I've been lifted back out of Jamaica, too much fight. See? So most likely, he must set himself out in a Guyana still. Because regardless of the fight where I'm going, during the year still, he get him shows here and there still over the season, all over the world. So he get him shows them in and things. So, I know say he must set himself certain way when he can go and stand up and just go and live CME and thing. And still I do music. I'm still current where music is concerned right now. Yeah, man, I'm still current. See? Right now, I'm open. I'm one of the artists them. He come like in a Guyana. He come like the Bob Marley. Guyanese Bob Marley. They could have said. Because which other artists are out of Guyana really who come and boss. Especially God Jamaica go boss. And I hold it like that. Even though them fight him still, but him still is a bust artist, still natural black. See? And can't take it away from him, see him. Still have the catalogs of great songs. See? So him open doors to other youth at Guyana now, who want to come in the thing right now. Natural black, open them youth the eyes and make them say, damn, we can't do it to like natural black. Natural black say, when time him go to Guyana back, man. Them time when boss and go back to Guyana, man. Come like, trust me. I tell you, be love. Be love him I get. See? So I saw the thing go. Even though right now I hear some of the youth them are Guyana, the new artists them right now, you know. Me say them are war amongst them one another, you know. Little young new artists them now who deal with the dancehall thing in Guyana. You see, them a follow from long time, maybe the Gully Gaza thing and the Six thing I call themselves. And I war amongst them one another right now. When you stop your foolishness, youth, I want to know. But when you see it, when you see what the dancehall music the youth them do, or the dancehall energy where them are getting enough from what the youth them are, dancehall artists them are Jamaica sing, say, you know, and them youth that pattern off of them and start to sing them song, then start to take it in the street with them one another, you know. That's why I tell them, so, you know, for clean up on the music, on the dancehall music them want to do, clean up the garbage music them want to do. When you can't do good dancehall music, because the rural, I follow on the little young youth them over the other Caribbeans them, a Jamaica and them a look, and we set it. We set the reggae and dancehall vibes and the dance and the pattern and everything, and we bust them. So the world a follow. See? So them youth are want to behave on yourself and thing. Because another way the natural black pave the way, another road there. But as I say, them still see what go on out of Jamaica and see the youth, the artists that make money with it, with the garbage. So them young, so them take it to that way there. There's a handful that go to book and say righteousness and culture, like natural black did. See? Yeah, man, so Natural Black is an artist where I respect, man. I listen to him. I listen to him at daytime too. He's an artist where in my playlist, I listen to him. I vibes with him. See? The man says, sing some songs with me then. And another thought with positive reason. See? Only a big hit tune. So I saw the thing set, man. Alright? So Natural Black, anyway there, in the world, my brother. You put in the work, salute, big up yourself. You put in the work in the genre of reggae. See? You push in the work and you still have the work. See? So, Natural Black, big up yourself, you know. One love and respect goes out from Ziggie Bless. See? Yeah, man. To the world. That Ziggy Set. See? Mad. I'm out.